Hey guys, what's going on today? We're out here in the carport because it's supposed to get real nasty. Wind's blowing and stuff like that, so you'll hear the wind rushing by anyway. But I got the 408 turned over and I'm pulling the oil pan off it to put the truck style oil pan on it so I can get it in copperhead. So we'll take a look at the inside of the 408 just a little bit from the bottom end. I can see how well it looks after 4 years of spraying nitrous on it. Alright, so let's go over here and take a look at the motor. So look down. I don't know how well you can see that. Let me try and get that in there. If you can see. Oh, I can see it, but I don't know how well it's coming up on camera. But crosshatch is still in the cylinder walls. So you know there's not very many miles on this engine. It's mostly been a race engine. I drove a little bit on the street, but mostly it was drive out to the spot or drive it to the track. So I bet you really this motor's probably got maybe 5,000 miles on it. Most of the miles are racing it, being hard on it. But MMI Engines built this motor for me back in 2016. So it's clean. I-beam rods. I got the pickup on it already for the other oil pan. Now I got to clean this surface. I might try and reuse that rubber gasket on the back because that thing didn't look like it got disturbed when I pulled it off there. So I think it might be all right. I think I can just put some more goo on top of it, and I think it'll be all right. So we're gonna roll with it and see if it leaks or not. It probably won't. So, but yeah. But that's the bottom end of the 408. All right, later, guys. Oh, guys, I realized something. I realized something after I started doing all this. I don't have any silicone. So I got nothing to seal it up with. So I'm just going to put bolts in it for now. Because as you can see behind me, it's looking pretty nasty out there. I've already got a tornado warning on my phone. So it's getting pretty nasty out there. I'm just going to button up the bottom end so things can't get in it and leave it the way it is. And maybe tomorrow I'll swing by the parts store and get some silicone, and then I can put the gaskets and stuff on it and get it bolted back down. I don't think it'll hurt anything just having it sit with the pan on it. Put a couple bolts in it and it'll be good. That bolt wants to be in there. I just put those 4 bolts in there. Nobody cringe. I'm not gonna go real the hard with it. Just keep the pan on it. So. Hopefully the audio isn't too bad. I didn't plug in my microphone or anything on this. Hopefully this will work out well. I'm going to push it back over here in the corner and kind of get things straightened up before the storm really hits. I need one with dollars on all 4 sides, or both ends, make it easier. Anyway, that's about all I have for today. I'm going to get cleaning up and get away from the storm, get out of the house or something. I don't know, dig a hole. Alright, take it easy guys.